This question came to my mind that why is it that we are so influenced by nature? Why is it that nature has such a big impact on us? Why is it that when we are in the woods, we just get calm? Let's find the answer today. So, have you ever experienced looking at a dam where the water is flowing aggressively, and you look at it and you have that anxiety inside you? And on the other hand, when we see forests like this, we suddenly become so calm. How is it that nature has such an impact on us? Well, we are made of five elements, and all those five elements are present in the nature, and they are nature. In short, we can say we are nature. We are part of nature, although we have somehow distanced ourselves and put ourselves in some arrogant way on the top of everything. We somehow disrespect climate, we somehow disrespect the nature, and we think we are superior, but in fact we are not. We are still driven very much by the nature itself. Actually, nature, it's our reflection. It's the reflection of us, and that's why whatever we see, it reflects, and we feel that inside of us. Nature has this power to revitalize you, to give you that energy. I always suggest that whenever, if you have time, little bit, go in the woods, go to the forest, touch the trees, you will feel, you just absorb the energy. There are people who are not confident, who lack confidence, who get shaken very easily by the uncertainty of life, who are very insecure, and that leads to their low self-esteem. There are some who are not grounded, and why is that? This happens when you are not attached to the nature, when you're very distant from the nature. And if you see in all the civilizations, all the old ancient civilizations, they've been worshipping nature. Nature has been a provider. Nature has been a provider for everything. It's just us, stupid human beings, who has put a label on everything. Otherwise, nature has provided us with everything, whatever we need. We need oxygen. Nature has provided us. We need food. Nature has given us. We need water. Nature has given us. Nature has given us everything. And the moment you will get connected with the nature and you will start believing that yes, nature has your back, you will automatically have this confidence. And the moment you will have this confidence, you will feel the difference. Now I know it's not possible for everyone to get connected to the nature or to go on a walks, or maybe because you're living in such a place where there are no forests, then what do? Wear something natural. There's a reason why crystals and gemstones, they affect your life. If it's possible, then play natural sound, the sounds of nature. It's music, it's therapeutic itself. Play that in the background, and you will feel the difference. You will feel the difference in your mood. You will feel the difference in the whole ambience. You will feel the difference in the whole environment of your house, your office. The best is, of course, be in the nature as close as you can. Have your small little garden at your home. Have some plants at your home. And whenever possible, try to be in the nature and meditate. I promise you, meditation in the nature it has double impact. Because nature is your provider. The moment you are connected to it, you will be more confident. Your roots will connect with the nature, and nature will provide you with everything. That is the reason why it's called Mother Nature. Now it's my time to just absorb myself in the